All right, it's mid-April. Belleayre Mountain literally just announced that they're going to be open for one more weekend. They've been closed all week. Don't know how conditions are going to be. Don't know what trails are going to be open, but we're sending it last minute. I'm going to go upstate right now. We're going to camp out tonight, and then tomorrow, hopefully have a good last day on hill. I've been tracking the weather all week. There's a chance that it might snow above 2,000 feet tonight and into tomorrow. So if it does, we might get lucky. Nobody is even talking about it, but I have a feeling we might have some fun. What a beautiful morning. I feeling that the rain was going to turn to snow was correct. And it's a beautiful morning. Good morning. I seriously cannot believe that this is closing weekend, mid-April. Apparently they got like a foot of snow at the top. We're about to get first tracks. This is insane. Oh, it's powdery up here.
Damn, buddy, look at that.
Woo. Oh my God, it's powder. No way, dude. It's halfway up to my knee. This is perfect. The end of a season. Wow, what a crazy last day.
Yeah.